I had a creativity problem that I needed to fix. So lately I've been trying to dip my feet into YouTube, just maintaining my weekly post schedules and make sure that every video that I put out has some level of quality to it. Like, it's quality enough to satisfy me, I can put it out. Like, I'm very stubborn. If if the video is not quality enough, I won't put it out. So I now realize that the kind of content that I make is not something that I can just open up camera and just start shooting. There's some content, there's some niche that you can actually get away with that, like maybe some vlog niche, all those kind of TikTok level of content. You can just open your camera and just start shooting how your day went. It's not something you can do with my space. So you have to actually research your videos, make sure you have your right facts, you have the facts right. Now, the solution to this is actually using a teleprompter. Now, stay with me and I will explain to you why it's important that you have to use a teleprompter, especially if you're a beginner content creator. Also, you can go in the comment section below and tell me if you know what a teleprompter is, or if you have an idea of any better way to combat this problem that I had. Most big YouTubers do this. Most big YouTubers script their videos like professionally. Before you make a video, you script it, make sure that you get your facts right, how you want to present the video in bullet points, every detail that you want to remember in the video, you make sure that you actually write it down in a bullet point or something so you can remember, so that as you're not shooting your video and you are seeing the script and you can remember everything you have to say. Like with bullet points, make sure everything they want to remember as they are shooting the video is well outlined, and as they're looking at it, they're seeing those things and they're remembering it. But I realize that you can't just do it like that. It to be obvious that you're looking at a screen or something. So I needed to get a teleprompter, which after doing a bunch of research on price, availability, and easy to get into the country and stuff, I decided to settle down for the Agazie teleprompter. Okay, so I'm going to do a full review on this gadget. For anyone, believe that people that are also facing the same issue as me, or maybe some people that are having some creativity block, that are camera shy. There are a lot of reasons why you actually need a teleprompter. But I just want to tell you that if you have a problem of being camera shy, you're struggling to remember what to say as you're doing the video, or you have a problem like I did, whenever you open up your camera, you will do like 1,000 videos before you actually get that perfect one, because there's some things that you have to say, you have to mention the exact specific word, and you don't have to be talking gibberish in the video. If you have this problem too, you can actually get a very good teleprompter. There's some decent teleprompters out there. I recommend the Agazie teleprompter. I'll do a full review of the product when it gets here. Okay, I had a creativity problem that I needed to fix. I had a creativity problem that I needed to fix.